Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 12, 1921. The Divine Will, Wheat that will become food. Luisa, the straw that clothes it and defends it. I was saying to myself, my Queen Mother provided to him the blood in order to form the humanity of Jesus in her womb. And I, what will I give him in order to form the life of the divine will in me? And my lovable Jesus told me,
My daughter, you will provide to me the straw in order to form the ear, in which I will be the wheat, as I will give my will as food for the nourishment of the souls who will want to feed themselves with my will. You will be the straw that will preserve the wheat.
On hearing this, I said, My love, my office of serving you as straw is ugly, because the straw is thrown away and burned, and it has no value. And Jesus,
Yet the straw is necessary to the ear of wheat. If it wasn't for the straw, the wheat could not mature nor multiply. The poor straw serves as garment and defense for the wheat. If the scorching sun invests it, the straw defends it from the too much heat so as not to let it wither. If frost, rain, or something else invade the wheat, the straw takes all these evils upon itself. So it can be said that the straw is the life of the wheat. And if the straw is burned and thrown away, this is when it is detached from the wheat. The wheat of my will is not subject to either increasing or decreasing. As much as they may take of it, it will not diminish by a single grain. So, your straw will be necessary to me, for it will serve me as garment, as defense, defending the rights of my volition. Therefore, there is no danger that you may be separated from me.
After a little while he came back, and I said to him, My life, Jesus, if the souls who will have life in your volition will be rainbows, what will be the colors of these irises of peace? And Jesus, all goodness.
Their qualities and colors will be all divine. They will blaze with the most beautiful and radiant colors, which are love, goodness, power, wisdom, sanctity, mercy, justice. The variety of these colors will be as light in the darkness of the night, and by virtue of these colors they will make daylight arise in the minds of creatures.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.